ओल्ड पाटो ते 4 पिलार मेरेन 1.5 किलोमीटर रस्तो बेगीनूच स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्पा खाला घेतले अशें पणजे महानगरपालिकेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगिल्ल्याचें कळटा। बिरेस्तारा मोन्सेरात हांणी संबंधीत खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यां सयत जोड पळोवणी केली। 3 टप्प्यांनी हे काम जातले खंय।
Rudorem project that's supposed to be taken up earlier. So we were just checking with all the departments. This is a pre-check to just check and see what difficulties we might face during the course of the project. We have all the departments, including Smart City, Police, Sewerage, RCCB people are here also, Electricity Department. So just because the model will basically be similar to the Santanese thing, all the utilities will be shifted to the sides. So it will be a concrete road. We're looking at maybe project should start somewhere, hopefully October, November.
It's coming October.
Preliminary traffic plans. Somebody from the Smart City informed me that once the project is tendered, the MD will be doing an inspection with the traffic department officials to check and see. There will be difficulties in this project because of where the project is located.
The hospital is around, schools are there.
Schools are around.
How it is?
So that is what I'm saying. So like last time when Smart City was done, the people were left unaware as to what was happening. A lot of people didn't know who to get in touch with. There was a lack of response also from the officials, not from Smart City but from the department that were executing the work. So this time we've learned from those mistakes. There will be problems here as well, but we've told them to be a lot more proactive when it comes to dealing with the public. So this is like a prelim meeting so that even I understand what the potential problems are, and to solve all these old legacy problems also. This road, there's waterlogging at times when the river level rises because the level of the drains and goes below the river level. So we're trying to fix all of these issues that we have.
So it will be given height for this road when you.
That's also as of now. We are still trying to find a solution to that because it's still it's a lower area compared to the river. So we are trying to figure out what to do. If we put sluice space and it becomes a problem of there are 12 junction points. So who is going to maintain those and manage the situation? So like I said, the designs are basically similar to the Santanese thing. Those plans stay the same. The road width stays the same. The footpath width stays the same. It's only they will have issues during excavation. They might damage electricity lines or water lines. Or sewage lines. So most of this thing will basically involve proper coordination between the departments, the two schools, People's and Mary Immaculate and the hospital. So the traffic department will have to deploy personnel. They'll have to be, and this is it's a residential area. First of all, the road width is not that line. People are struggle to find parking, so we need to figure out what to do with that. The utilities will be shifted so that nobody needs to break the roads again.
Completion, what will the completion?
See, 3 months approximately per stage. Say 4 months per stage. Per stage. Depending, they could go faster, could go slower. But 3 months on average. So some stretches might take longer, some might be done a lot quicker. So we want to get done with the project as fast as
And we had a lot of criticism also for those roads for not planning properly or the.
Yes, so we are hoping to basically not go through those same issues this time. If people have suggestions, they can reach out to Smart City. So we're planning on having a list of numbers that they can reach out to. There will be a dedicated public relations officer who, if the public has any issues or grievances, then they can contact him directly.